Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Nova 9 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to App Gallery. And now here in the search pool type the Ampere. Okay, now we have to get this application. And just wait a few seconds while it's downloading. So now check to allow and tap to install. Okay, we get the message that Ampere app successfully installed on our phone. Now just tap to open, click yes I agree, close. OK, and here on the left down corner tap to OK, and now you can see all of the information about your battery health, about the temperature of your phone, that's 32.5. You can also see the model of your phone and Android version and more and other information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.